Two black parents from Ghana have got two boys that are completely white. And the most intriguing part of the story is that DNA on two occasions confirmed that the black man in the picture is the father of these two white boys. How is this possible? But before that, let me make this clear. This is not the first time something like this is happening in medicine, and it will not be the last time. Biologically, this is very possible, even though it's not common. A very popular example is Angela and Ben Ihiaboro, two couples from Nigeria who live in London. They had 3 children. The first 2 were black, but the last one was completely white, even though both parents are black. So what could explain this? One possibility is a genetic condition known as albinism, which is popularly known as albino. Albinism is a group of inherited genetic disorders that affect melanin production. I want you to see melanin as the pigment that determines the color of your skin, your eye, and that of your hair. So the more melanin you produce, the darker your skin and the darker the color of your hair. People argue that why is it that these children look completely white in this picture? I want you to see albinism as color blue. Even though the original color is blue, there are different shades of blue or different variations depending on the amount of melanin that you are able to produce. So, like the regular albino we know, you can have brown hair with brown eyes, but if they are producing less melanin, they can have completely white skin, very pale skin as well, and they can have blue eyes, gray eyes with blonde or even white hair. It's the same albino. Albinism is inherited in autosomal recessive manner. This means that both parents could have the trait of albinism, but it is silent or dormant in them. Literally speaking, you can say that both parents have the white pigment in them, but outwardly they look black. But these two beautiful boys decided to inherit variant of the white color from both parents. That's why their skin looks like this. Understand that the fact that they have pigmentation issue does not automatically mean that the paternity test is wrong or there's an issue of infidelity. Looking at the pictures alone, it is difficult to diagnose whether they have albinism or not. You should be able to send them to the hospital to get genetic testing if possible. Make sure you share and follow for more.